What's up guys, Retro Django here. I just want to show you this Jurassic Park Pro pinball machine. Now the LE version is on the way, and in about a month or so I will make a proper review of the LE version. I don't want to make a review of this one. I just want to show you this one. It's a beautiful pinball machine, and I'm telling you, Keith Elvin has made a perfect playfield layout. The combo shots are excellent, just like on the Iron Maiden. I love the ram shots. Back here, the left ram, the right ram, the loop here. It has got so many feel-good shots. I'm a fan of the layout. And on the Pro version, you really get a lot for your money. Well done from Stern. The LE version will have some targets here that moves up and down. It will have the T-Rex here. It will move his head, and it will grab the ball, I think. I'm not sure guys, but Stern is producing the LE version. So yeah, about a month or two I will make a proper review when we get that to Denmark. So yeah, just a quick look at Jurassic Park, guys. Pro version. And it plays incredible. Yeah. Over here, got the Guardians of the Galaxy. I don't know, yeah, it's not my favorite pin. I love the theme, love the movie, so fun, but yeah, it doesn't catch my interest. You just have to shoot Groot there. He grabs the ball and yeah, starts multi-ball and all that. So yeah, this is Guardians. And over here we have got Deadpool. Now this is the LE version, and I just love this pinball machine. It's just great. Everything it's so fun. It has got great music and call outs, and everything is just,
let's do this.
Yeah. The katana sword and everything is just such an amazing pinball machine, guys.
One more time.
It's got so many great shots. I will make a review of this one. I love all these details on the limited edition. You can see with the gold, you know, the paint and all that. Such a nice pinball machine, guys. JBL speakers. Great pinball machine. So yeah, it's just a quick look at these beautiful pinball machines. And this one is just waiting. I love it, guys. I love it. Have a great day. Retro Django out. Kan lave den der dobbelt skill shot?
Ja, desværre ikke slet.
Hvorfor kan man også lave det?
I'm having a system save you.
Den havde ikke gjort noget som wifi.
Præcis. Også med magneterne. Whoa.